What we'll be using for this treatment is aloe vera, and aloe vera here has been used for a long time for beauty benefit. It also has a whole lot of health benefits, but for today we are going to be concentrating on the beauty and anti-aging benefits of aloe vera plant. Now this is a very fresh aloe vera I just got from my balcony. So when preparing this treatment, look for a fresh and healthy aloe vera plant like this one. Aloe vera here helps to soothe the skin. It helps soothe irritated skin. It helps to get rid of inflammation on the skin, and it also helps to heal wounds really fast. So if you have scars, wounds on your skin, using aloe vera gel is one of the holy grail that is going to help you heal that wound or scar very fast. Aloe vera here helps to boost the skin's elasticity. It helps to plump the skin because it contains a lot of water, which helps to hydrate the skin, and in turn it plumps the skin and helps to get rid of fine lines and wrinkles. When the skin is dehydrated and doesn't have enough moisture, it usually causes the skin to get wrinkled and dry very fast. But with aloe vera like this, that is going to be an old story, because this is going to help to plump the skin, helps to fill out fine lines and wrinkles, and helps the skin to look younger. It's going to make your skin to look very young, plump, and it's also going to help glow your skin. To prepare this, I'll first of all cut off this other part of the aloe vera. My aloe vera is already washed and it's very clean. Then I will cut out a small chunk of it. It's not too big, it's not too small, but it has all the nutrients that I need from the aloe vera. Then I'll cut off the sides of the aloe vera. What I need from this is the aloe vera gel itself. So I'm going to take out the top of this gently. And we have a whole lot of gel here. I'm taking out the aloe vera gel into my bowl. Now I'm going to transfer the aloe vera gel into a blender cup so I can blend this for us to have a light consistency. After blending, this is what the aloe vera juice looks like, and I'm just pouring it back into my bowl. The next thing I'll be using for this is sugar, and here I have a white sugar. You can make use of your brown sugar for this. Sugar here is a physical exfoliant that is going to help to get rid of dead skin cells on the skin. This is also going to help to get rid of dark patches, dark areas of this on the skin, helps get rid of age spot by exfoliating and removing the dead skin cells on the skin. Sugar here also helps to hydrate the skin, so it's actually good for people with dry skin as well. For the sugar, I'm going to take about 2 teaspoons of sugar into the aloe vera gel. The next ingredient I'll be using for this is coffee. Coffee here is great for exfoliating the skin. It also helps to brighten the skin, get rid of dead skin cells. It helps to tighten the skin as well. And coffee helps get rid of fine lines and wrinkles. So that is why we will be needing 1 teaspoon of coffee in this recipe. I'm going to add coffee to that, and then I will stir it properly. You can see how it is. The aloe vera gel in it is what is giving it this slimy texture that you are seeing here. So this is the anti-aging treatment I prepared. You can see how slimy this is. So make sure you make your own to be this slimy. I did not add any extra water. I did not add water to this. So this is just from the aloe vera and the sugar and coffee. Okay, so before applying this, make sure you're applying it on a clean face. You don't want to apply this over makeup or skincare product. And I'm going to use my fingertips for the application. So I'll just take out into my fingertips, and it's so slimy, and this is going to cause a mess. And I'll just massage it onto my face. So go ahead and massage this evenly on your face, going down to your neck. Remember, don't forget your neck when you are doing this. Whatever you do to your face, you should do it to your neck. And I'm going to massage it on my forehead as well. So I'll just massage this very well. And then after massaging this all over your face and your neck, if you have extra or you are doing this in the bathroom, just go ahead and massage it on your arms as well. Even if it can go around your whole body, it's fine. Massage it everywhere, and then leave this to sit for 30 minutes. After leaving this to sit for 30 minutes, you can now wash it off with cold water, lukewarm water, and wash it off. Just wash it off completely. So this is a treatment that you want to repeat once in a week in order for you to get the best result out of it. If you find this video helpful, please share it with your friends. Give it a thumbs up, okay? And let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Have you tried this before? Will you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section below. And And I'll see you in my next one, guys.